Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Gaggia Anima Prestige Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the magnet fell into the side of the grinder, and this is the older magnet. This is the old grinder over here, and unfortunately when something like this happens, you have to replace the grinder because it damaged the burrs around there. So we end up replacing the grinder. As you can see, this is the older one with the one and everything, and yeah, we put another magnet over here, so it has a new magnet as well as a new grinder, and that's all we do with this espresso machine. So we're gonna test it out. It's coming one shot of espresso, and unfortunately we won't be able to test the hot water because we don't have the spot or anything like that. Right now the grinder is right at the half fine setting, so you can still go a little bit more coarser, a little bit more fine if you like. But the way I see it, it comes out really well. You can see a good color and good crema coming out of the espresso machine. 1 ounce shot, perfect. And yeah, there you have it. Gaggia Anima Prestige working once again. So thank you for playing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.